My name is Naman. I am here making my general surgery video. My topic for today is general anesthesia and preparation before the surgery of abdominal aorta aneurysm. As my patient is unconscious and I have to fill some consent forms and take some information, so I have with me his daughter. His daughter's role will be played by my younger sister Krishna. So let's get started. So here with me is George's daughter, Krishna. Hi Krishna.
Hello, doctor.
So we have your father with us. He will be going through some surgeries for abdominal aorta aneurysm, as you know. And so his height is 170 centimeters and weight is 70 kgs. And we will like to have your informed consent because as he is not conscious, and we would like to have some consent of the guardian here. So you are the guardian here, so we will like to have your consent. We also need some special permissions from you because we'll put some catheters and all, so we will need your permission.
Yeah.
Is that okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. And let me inform you that the surgical site for your father, for the, as you are going to do the surgery, so the surgical site is the abdomen and the thigh region. Okay. So, do you have the history and physical examination report here with you?
Yes.
Okay. Have you done the lab records? Like, have you done the laboratory tests like CBC, HGB, urine analysis, and HCT?
Yes.
Are these reports here with you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really good. And your father have natural teeth, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. Does he wear contact lenses?
No.
Okay, fine. Any prosthetics?
No.
Okay, that's really great. Does your father wear any jewelry?
No.
Okay. So next is we will give your father some. We have given your father a clean patient gown, a cap, and sanitary pad. Okay. And I instruct you, I advise you to wait at your home because it will take a long time, and be positive. Everything will be fine in some time. So, are the valuables of your father, like his phone, his documents, everything is secured with you, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Have you ordered the blood? Like your father's blood group is O positive, right?
Yes.
Have you ordered the blood?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And let me inform you that we have given your father the mouth care. Your father needed a mouth care and we have given it. The next is about the vital signs. Your father's temperature is 36.3 degrees Celsius. That's normal. That's good. Next is his pulse is 120.
Okay.
And his respiration is 30. And blood pressure is 80 by 50 Hg. And we would like to ask you that is your father allergic to any drugs?
Yeah.
Which drug?
No again.
Yeah, that's really great. Okay, we will take care of it. And we have the patient should prepare the site of surgery, like he should that the region should be shaved and all. So we have done that. The nurse have done it. So has your father eaten? The stomach of your father should be empty. Okay, and we will insert a nasogastric tube for the supply of food. Okay, and there should be no stool and there is no need of edema cleansing. And for the intravenous access, we will use the peripheral cubital and catheter will be in the intrajugular. Is that okay?
Yes.
Thanks a lot for your time.
Welcome.
So here's the second part of the video. First we had George's daughter with us. She gave us some consent and we had some information through her, and we also gave her some information. So now here the second part of my video is about the general anesthesia. For this, the patient was given some general anesthesia doses time to time. For the general anesthesia, we also give him neuromuscular blockers because for the surgery we need that the muscle should not move. Thus, we have given the neuromuscular blockers to George, and the neuromuscular blocker which we have used here is the mecuronium. We give it intravenously at 11:30 2 doses, at 12:30 again 2 doses, and total 6 doses were given to the father. And we also gave sevoflurane, and this was given like for the general anesthesia. In this is the combined type of general anesthesia, and we are giving the intravenous anesthesia and inhaled type of anesthesia. So for the inhaled type of anesthesia, we are using sevoflurane here. This will be given to George for the like in the form of inhalation anesthesia. And for the intravenous anesthesia, we will be giving 4 anesthetic drugs. So these includes the ketamine, which will be given at 11:30, 2 doses, 12 2 doses at 12:30, 12 at 1 o'clock. It's one, and total 7 doses are given to the patient. The next is propofol. This is also an intravenous drug. We will be giving. This will not be given to the mm, patient. And the next is fentanyl, and at 11:45 there will be 2 doses, like, and 12:30 will be two, and after that it will also, after some time it will be given two, total 6 doses. And the last one is about the troperidol, and this is also an intravenous anesthesia, and this will be given at 12:15, 3 doses, and at 1:15 there will be 4 doses, total 6 doses will be given to the patient. And this will be the second part of my this is the second part of my video, and we gave combined type of anesthesia to the patient. Thank you.